Morning students. Today now we are discussing about NEET classes for 11th standard CBSE and state board syllabus. Today now we are discussing about 5 kingdom classification. Okay, the 2 kingdom, 5 kingdom, 7 kingdom, 3 kingdom. Understand? Today now we are discussing about 5 kingdom classification. The 5 kingdom classification was first proposed by Arna Whittaker. ஆர்கச் விட்டேக்கர் சார் மேலே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியாது, கொஞ்சம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஓகே, டேக் தி நோட்ஸ். தி 5 கிங்டம் கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் proposed by ஆர்கச் விட்டேக்கர். ஓகே, then what are the 5 kingdom? The first one is called Monera, second one is called Protista, third fungi, fourth Plantae or Plantae, fifth one is called Animalia. Okay, the 5 kingdom classification proposed by R.H. Whittaker. Do you understand? Okay, then the next Monera. What are the characters of Monera? Monera உடைய characters என்ன? இப்போ Monera அப்படினு கேட்டாவே unicellular. Okay, then single cell, microscopic prokaryotes. Okay, options of true nucleus. Then next different mode of nutrition. For the nutrition different mode means saprobiotic, parasitic, hemoautotrophic, symbiotic, photoautotrophic, etc. Okay, what is saprobiotic? But in this organism to take the food material from dead and decaying organic matter. Okay, that is saprobiotic. Parasitic. What is parasitic? The organism depending upon others for food and shelter. Okay, then next hemoautotrophic. Hemo அப்படினாவே chemical, autotrophic, but in this organism to take the food material from chemical substance or oxidizing, that is an organic material அல்லது non organic materials அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Oxidation of non organic complex. Okay, then photoautotrophic. Photo means light, synthesis of வந்து பார்த்தா அப்படினா என்னது, food material from sunlight. Then next symbiotic, both are beneficial. Okay, example leguminous plant rhizobium. Are you understand? இப்போ symbiotic இருக்கலாம், photoautotrophic இருக்கலாம், hemoautotrophic இருக்கலாம், parasitic or saprobiotic. Are you understand? Okay, then cell wall. இப்போ cell wall இப்படி cell wall non cellular. Okay, இப்போ non cellular but in the comprises இதுல என்னென்ன ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கலாம்னா peptidoglycan. One more question. Peptidoglycan. The prokaryotes organism made up of cell wall is called peptidoglycan. One more question. Then polysaccharide other than cellulose. Okay, polysaccharides இருக்கு. Polysaccharide means என்ன, more than 2 monomer molecules. You understand? Glucose, fructose, maltose. Okay, then other than cellulose allada. Okay, then the cell containing single envelope, single layer present, then internal compartment option. Okay, inside the cell structure is option, then no definite nucleus கிடையாது, nuclear membrane option வே, அங்க DNA exit circular, then do not histone. Sir, one more question. Histone is absent in prokaryotes. Okay, DNA circular in shape. Sexual reproduction option, only asexual reproduction, but in the bacteria, archaebacteria, okay, etc. Bacteria, the bacteria can classify into 4 types based on shape. One is called spherical example coccus bacteria. Then rod shaped bacteria bacillus. Third, comma shaped bacteria vibrio. Fourth, spiral shaped bacteria spirillum or spirilla. Okay, then archaebacteria. When the archaebacteria act as scalophils. Scalophils means in a salty environment, but in this bacteria which live in salt environment. Then thermoacidophils, but in this bacteria which live in high acidic condition, so it is called acidophils. Okay, then methanogen, but in this bacteria can producing methane biogas, so it is called methanogen. Then finally another one is called extremophils, but in this bacteria which live in high extremic condition, high cold, volcanic eruption, high cut, etc., but all regions are present, so extremophils அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். The Archaebacteria is a ancient bacteria. Ancient. Okay, one more question. Archaebacteria, otherwise called ancient bacteria. Then, our character halophilic, thermoacidophilic, methanogen, extremophilic. One more question. Which bacteria are extremophilic? Which bacteria are halophils? Which bacteria act as thermoacidophils? Which bacteria act as methanogen? எல்லாமே Archaebacteria. Okay, then next Eubacteria. அப்ப U நாவே true. U means true bacteria. Okay, then Cyanobacteria, blue green algae. Cyanobacteria, otherwise called blue green algae. But the blue green algae act as involved in oxidation process. It can converting anaerobic environment to aerobic environment. Okay, are you understand? Okay, maximum கேட்கக்கூடிய one more question. Cell wall, DNA circular, do not histone, bacteria safe, Archaebacteria oda character, then blue green algae, otherwise called Cyanobacteria, uses anaerobic environment to aerobic environment. Okay, that's all. Then the next one is called Protista. Protista means a colonial eukaryotes. Colony means groups. U means true nucleus. Then mostly aquatic, mostly live in aquatic animals. Okay, then nutrition, photosynthetic, saprophytic, parasitic, colozoic. Adhe same photosynthetic means it can synthesize own food material with the help of sunlight. Then saprophytic, decaying organic matter. Parasitic, depending upon others. Injective or holozoic, swallowing. Okay, then connecting link between prokaryotes and eukaryotic organism. Okay, Protista, connecting link between prokaryotes and eukaryotic organism, that is presence of true nucleus, that is present exit DNA with the histone. அப்ப eukaryotic organism present in histone, prokaryotic option in the options of histone. Okay, then flagella microtubules, very important, one more question. Microtubules, 9 plus 1 11. But how many microtubules means 9 plus 1? Okay, are you understand? What are the example? Cryophytes. Example diatom: Tinoflagellates, Pyrophyta, Euclinophyta, Euclinide, Myxophyta, slime mold, Sporozoans, Cleopora, ciliates, then Sumasticata, animal flagellate. Okay, then another one is called fungi. Fungi special character, absence of chlorophyll. In this organism do not synthesize own food material, only it can preparing for decaying organic matter, but other materials. Heterotrophic, saprophytic or parasitic. Are you understand? Then symbiotic, that is symbiotic means both are mutual, leguminous plant and rhizobium. Okay, then cell wall, chitin or non-cellulose. Okay, then it can containing polysaccharide. Inga peptidoglycan, inga cell wall containing polysaccharide, inga no maximum single envelope, inga two envelope. Understand? Reproduction, both asexual and sexual. What are the example? Pseudomycetes cell, 1, 2, Teutromyceta, 2, Psychomycota, அடுத்து next Oomycota, அடுத்து Ascomycota, Plasmogamy, Karyogamy. இப்போ maximum Pseudomyceta அப்படி club fungi, group of fungus. 2, Teutromycota, fungi imperfect. Psychomycota conjugative fungi. Oomycota water molds. Ascomycota sac fungi. Then plasmogamy means an fusion of both cytoplasm. Okay, the fusion of வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா protoplasm is called plasmogamy. Okay, motile and non-motile. Then another one is called karyogamy. Fusion of two nucleus is called karyogamy. Understand? Then plantae or plantia, photosynthetic eukaryotic, autotrophic, heterotrophic. Okay, plants autotrophic irukku, that is heterotrophic irukku. Then the cell wall plus cellulose and reserve starch food material and fat. Cellulose, starch, reserve food material or fat with containing fat அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, reproduction both sexual and asexual. Sexual இருக்கும், asexual இருக்கும். இதுல பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா algae first, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm. Algae 3 example, bryophyta, that is bryophyta, amphibian plant, pteridophyta, ornamental plants, gymnosperm, non flowering plant, angiosperm, flowering plants அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, I understand, but all the containing kingdom Animalia. Then the last one is called Animalia. Okay, Animalia, but இதனுடைய character cell wall is absent. Cell wall only present in plants. The animal cell containing presence of plasma membrane. Okay, then holozoic, nutrition holozoic, swallowing. Okay, then reproduction both sexual and reproduction sexual. Okay, reproduction வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா sexual அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, what are the example பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா protozoa இருக்கு, porifera இருக்கு, coelenterata இருக்கு, platyhelminthes, ascalminthes, annelida, arthropoda, mollusca, echinodermata, chordata. Okay, chordata can classified into 4 subphylum. Are you understand? Prochordata, cephalochordata, urochordata, vertebrata based on the arrangement of notochord. Okay, are you understand? Okay, கரெக்டாக இது மேக்ஸிமம் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இதை வந்து நோட் பண்ணிக்கோ. இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அதர் சாப்டர்ஸ் ஆர் வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.